Yeah. Okay, holy estrogen you're.
Yeah, okay. Holy estrogen, you're gonna hurt yourself. Somebody in the chat said this is the best knife on the market. Bro, look at how many
I got
catches
this
thing has. Holy crap. Wait, so you're gonna hurt yourself. Be careful, bro. This is sharp. Okay, I'll just put it over here. Chat, but do I have too much estrogen to handle that? Do I have too much estrogen? Yes, yes. Hey Jinxie, short book about your thoughts and how much they shape you as a woman. It only takes an hour to read, but it changed my life. I always enjoy your streams from Liam.